one, we're going to find the area of the regions of these two curves. The first thing we want to do is find the intersection of these. So let's solve for y for both of these. So for the first curve, we're going to get y equals 4 minus 4x squared. And for the second one, we're going to get y equals x to the power of 4 minus 1. Since y equals y, we can set these equal to each other. All right, and let's move everything over to the right-hand side. So you get x to the power of 4. This will be equal to 0. And then we're going to have plus 4x squared minus 5. All right, and factor, we're going to get x squared minus 1 and x squared plus 5. These are complex solutions, so we're only going to deal with the real solutions. So we have x squared equals 1. So our points of intersection are going to occur at plus and minus 1. All right, since we have that, you normally set up your integral from -1 to 1. But if we do a quick sketch of this, we can look at symmetry. Let's look at what we're looking at. So for this one, we have, let's just look and see what we have. It opens down and it's shifted up by 4. So it's something like this. There's no horizontal shift, so it's something like that. It's kind of narrow. And for this one, we are shifting down 1, but it opens up. So the intersection's occurring at x equals 1 and -1. So let's just put that here. Let's put it there. So basically, let's just go that way and that way. So it's just a sketch there. So basically, this is the integral. This is the area of the shaded region. So since it's symmetric to our x-axis, I can just take this area here and multiply it by 2 to get this area. So instead of going from -1 to 1, I can go from 0 to 1, change this to 0, and just multiply this by 2. All right, and then what I want to do is take what's easier. I'm going to take this one, x to the power 4 minus 1, and subtract this one. So that's going to be minus 4 plus 4x squared dx. Simplifying, we're going to get the integral 2 times 0 to 1, and this is going to be from, let's see, we already kind of did it. This is going to be x to the power 4 plus 4x squared minus 5 dx. Okay, so let's go ahead and evaluate it, or integrate it, and we're going to get 2 times 1/5 x to the power of 5 plus 4 divided by 3 x to the power of 3 minus 5x, and we're evaluating this from 0 to 1. So this is going to end up being, when you evaluate it, you're going to get 2 times 1/5 plus 4/3 minus 5. And we don't need to put the 0 in because that's just going to be like a minus 0 there. So we don't need that. And then when you put this in the calculator, you're going to get, this is going to be 104 divided by 15. Or you can write it as 6 and 14/15. So either way, that's your area. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.